Hi, good afternoon. This is Taj Kadur making some job for 2011. It's a Jaguar 8 cylinder. Is SF is Sport. The engine is from a Jaguar. It's not Ford. Some of them, the old one, they has Ford engine, but that one is the original one from the factory. So doing the tune-up for this, already changing the tune-up on the coil off. There's the coil here, change 4 of them. So tune-up is not easy. Take all the accessory here to remove and make all the space here, to remove this one too here after to do the job. So that's the thing is, dealer got the owner, it's not for me. So you want to charge him $1,500 for, told him the problem is fuel injector leaking, but the problem is not fuel injector leaking, only the spark plugs and the ignition coils not good, like this one here. They're old, not good, because the problem the people doesn't want to do it because it's a lot of work. It's complicated to do this job and touch this motor. So Taj Kadur, it's 617-642-4514. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon.